Clothing can transform an unattractive man into an attractive man, but it all depends on what you wear and how you wear it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the 8 fashion mistakes that are making you look bad as a man so you can transform into that attractive guy overnight. Let's start with the first fashion mistake. You're using clothing that's dropping your aura points. Look, your aura is just basically how cool you look, but most guys' outfits are full of mistakes that are costing them aura points. So to keep it very simple, here's a quick list of clothing items that are draining your aura. Your dirty shoes, your fly is open, your shirt or clothes has holes in it, you're wearing skinny jeans, your jean shorts are above your knee, you're mixing Nike and Adidas clothing, your socks are yellow and stained, and finally, you're wearing baggy clothes, but really, it's just too big for you. Look, just like that, I'm already preventing you from dressing bad, and I'm getting you to look better. But there are still 7 more mistakes you need to avoid if you want to look your absolute best. Which takes me to number 2. You don't know how to wear baggy pants. Most men, they look terrible in baggy pants, but it's not the pants, it's you. First up, you need to understand, you're not wearing actual baggy pants. See, if you're a guy that's used to wearing skinny jeans, you going from skinny jeans to just straight cut pants, those aren't baggy. What you should be looking for are pants that are around 3 to 5 centimeters larger than your legs. This is when you start getting into the baggy territory. Next, you're pairing the wrong shirt. Most assume, all right, I have baggy pants, I should pair it with a baggy shirt as well. This is incorrect. What you actually need is some sort of slim top to add balance to your outfit. For example, I love to wear tank tops with my baggy pants. But lastly, you're messing it up with your shoes. When you're wearing baggy pants, I always suggest to try multiple shoes, but a general rule of thumb is wear shoes that are a bit thicker or chunkier. These are kind of in the middle. These are Thursday Boots new court sneakers. You guys already know that when it comes to my plain white sneakers, Thursday is my go-to, but they just released these new sneakers that are designed a little bit heavier so they look hefty and they pair perfectly with baggy pants. And I love that they're white because I can use them all the time. Let's move on to the third mistake. You are wearing all black. Every style guy will tell you, oh, wear all black because it makes you look good, but it's actually making you look worse. It's not that wearing all black is a bad look. The problem is that you're wearing all black incorrectly. There are 3 rules you should follow when you wear black. First off, the mistake most guys make is that they'll throw on a black t-shirt, some black fitting jeans, and call it a day. You need to level this up. Swap those skinny black jeans for black trousers. The second rule is that you should add some texture. So we're gonna take it up a notch. Swap that black t-shirt for a sweater. This is gonna add layers and depth to an outfit, which is necessary because you're wearing the same color. But the third rule is that you must wear jewelry. See, black is already very devoid of any vibrancy and very boring. Jewelry is a great way to bring life into this outfit. So to avoid you looking like a club bouncer, you want to start wearing jewelry, and to know what type of jewelry to wear, just look at your veins. If your veins look kind of purple or bluish, wear silver jewelry. If they're more greenish, kind of like mine, you can go ahead and wear gold jewelry. So just add some necklaces, bracelets, or rings, you're good to go. Number 4, aren't matching your socks to your outfit. Most men will ruin their outfits all because of their socks. So I'm going to show you how to match your socks to your outfit. First off, always match the color of your socks with your shoes. This applies to summer, winter, or formal events. Next, you need to match the sock length to your sneakers, and you're gonna base it based on the shoe that you're wearing. So if you're wearing high top sneakers, you should always wear longer tube socks that are higher than your sneakers and nothing under that. If you're wearing low cut sneakers, you can go for low cut socks and anything above that, even though I still prefer higher tube socks with this look. Now, that said, the style and color of your socks will only take you so far, because if you're pairing those socks with crappy shoes, it's not gonna matter. You're still gonna be messing up your style. So you need to understand that whatever outfit you have, it always starts with the foundation, the shoes. And if you want great shoes, I recommend Thursday. See, Thursday has you covered from boots, right now that fall and winter is coming, to sneakers. You go to my closet, 80% of our shoes are from Thursday. What I love about them is that everything's handmade with quality leathers, giving you the assurance that once you buy these shoes, you won't have to replace them in years. I have boots from Thursday in my closet that are about 4 years old. That's how long this stuff lasts you, and the best part is, you're not gonna break the bank. If you guys wanna check out Thursday and level up your style with better shoes, you can click the link down below and check out the shoes that you saw me wearing in today's video. Number 5, you're not taking care of your clothing. I want you to take a look at these 2 outfits. The one on the left, it looks great, while the one on the right looks terrible. But here's the thing, I'm wearing the exact same pieces in both outfits. The only difference is how I take care of my clothes before I put it on. So here's how you're gonna start taking care of your clothes to always look good. First, you need to learn how to store your clothes. You wanna hang up t-shirts to avoid wrinkles and fold line. For thicker items like jerseys or sweaters, these you wanna fold them because you don't wanna get any shoulder bumps on the hems when you hang it. Second, you need to get smart about laundry. Look, your mama's not gonna be doing your laundry for the rest of your life. So you need to stop mixing your clothes colors and stop washing in high heat. You wanna do 3 piles, your blacks, your whites, and your colored. And only wash your clothing at 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius to protect the fabric of your clothes. And finally, ditch the iron and invest in a steamer. Look, it's gonna make your life 10 times easier, but also it's gonna keep your clothes fresh because you're gonna neutralize any bad odors every time you steam your clothes. You follow these 3 steps, you're gonna look better in every outfit because you're learning how to take care of them. So far, I've already saved you from negative aura points, from wearing baggy pants the wrong way, from wearing all black outfits that make you look like a bartender. I've even showed you how to fix your sock game and now how to take care of your clothes. These are the mistakes that 99% of guys are making and now you'll never make again. But there are 3 more mistakes I want to make sure you never do so you always look good in your clothes. Number 6, you're making the same shoe mistakes over and over again. I knew a buddy in school, his name was Thomas. He had good style, I'm not even gonna lie. It was pretty decent, but his shoe game was the worst I had ever seen in my life. No matter what this dude put on, the shoes would just always ruin it. So in honor of my boy, here are 3 shoe mistakes he would always make I want you to avoid so you can always look good. First, never mix and match Nike and Adidas. I always prefer to buy socks with no branding. They're cheaper and you can mix it with any brand you want. The second mistake, stop overdressing when you have statement sneakers. When your sneakers are loud, the rest of your outfit needs to be calm. Let your sneakers stand out. And third, stop buying a bunch of low quality shoes instead of investing in a few high quality pairs. Not only will they make your outfits look cheap, but low quality shoes wear out faster, which makes your outfits look worse because now your shoes look busted. If you instead listen to me and buy a few high quality pairs like the sneakers I showed you, those are affordable, they look great and they're versatile, you're gonna make every outfit look more expensive while saving money because you don't have to be replacing them. I'm telling you right now, the best decision you can ever make is level up your shoe game with high quality shoes because now every outfit you put on will look good. So whether you want boots or sneakers, you can click the link down below and go check out Thursdays. Look at their collection. I promise you, you're going to fall in love with these styles. Which takes us to mistake 7. You are trying to buy style, but you can't because a lot of men think, oh, being broke is the reason I can't have style. But you have an advantage. I'm gonna show you why being broke actually gives you more style. You see, when you're broke, you're less likely to spend money with clothing with ugly brand names and logos all over it, which at the end will make you look less stylish. Instead, you can focus on basic, timeless pieces with no logo that just looks good on your body. You also become more unique. While everyone else is chasing all the standard brands and trends, you're probably exploring thrift shops or discovering one-of-a-kind items that no one else is looking for. And third, you probably take better care of your clothing. Look, I'm telling you firsthand, bro, when I was growing up, my parents barely could buy me 1 pair of shoes. So for the whole school year, I needed to make sure those sneakers were squeaky clean. So when you develop these practices of actually taking care of your clothes, you're gonna look better than the other guy that's not taking care of his clothes. That's why I'm telling you, bro, if you make the investment on like high quality, let's say white sneakers from Thursday, and you really take care of them, you could have those for the next 1 to 2 years and never have to buy another sneaker because they're versatile and you actually took care of it. Which takes me to number 8. You don't know how to get back your aura. Look, at the start of this video, I showed you 8 ways that you were losing aura points. Now, I'm gonna show you 8 ways to increase your aura with your style. I want you to wear a crisp white t-shirt under your sweaters to add more layers. I want you to opt for boots that have a heel, like this one from Thursday, so you could be taller. I want you to mix in vintage items from garage sales and thrift stores. I want you to always wear at least 1 accessory, like sunglasses. I want you to always steam your clothes right before you leave, so you can always look crisp. I want you to choose crew neck t-shirts, as they will make your shoulders look broader and your arms look bigger. I want you to match white shoes with black pants and a black top for an easy, stylish fit. And finally, use minimal chains to make a statement without being over the top. If you follow everything I've laid out in this video with the clothing you already have, you'll go from unattractive to attractive by tomorrow. See you boys next time.